Hold on to your hats. We're entering the Wild West winter style.
Whoa, that was incredible. Hey guys, I'm TravelingJules, and this is Ski Joring in Leadville, Colorado. An annual event, and definitely one you don't want to miss. Horses are pulling skiers across these giant jumps. They have closed down the street. They've brought in truckloads and truckloads of snow and built these massive jumps for huge entertainment value.
Ski Joring in Leadville dates back to 1949 and is one of the premier events of its kind in the country.
I think that jump is as tall as I am, easily. Horses and skiing, two of the greatest things combined. It's quite a spectacle. Wild.
Come see Leadville Ski Joring and more at the Crystal Carnival the first weekend in March every year.